So this is the fuel distributor from a 1980 Euro 380 SLC, and I've opened up my cans of Berryman carburetor parts cleaner here, and I pulled this one. Oh look, still got some. I guess that's, oh, interesting. Those are Euro headlight screws. Interesting. Well, and it looks like a wheel weight down in that one. So I'm gonna move this basket over, put that there for a minute. Use this basket because this other one looks a little deeper. Alright. And put that basket in there. And then take this and just drop it right in there. Alright, so I want this to fall down in there and get totally submerged. Fortunately, I've got this piece right here is loose and it's not getting covered, so I'm just gonna drop that right in there. Maybe I'm gonna need to add a little bit from here into there, but it looks like it's filling up. Oh, looks like there's a washer I'm losing too. So that washer and that, hopefully I'll find them. Hopefully it lands in the basket. Otherwise I'll be scraping the bottom of the bucket. But I guess that'll probably cut the mustard. I can tip the bucket so that it gets stored like that. Alright, so that's right near the P, and I will tilt the bucket and let that sit, I think, for a couple of days.